Hello students, today we will see the experiment number 4, that is determination of phase and line quantities in three-phase star and delta connection. The aim of the experiment is determine the phase and line quantities in three-phase and star and delta connection. Apparatus required: voltmeter 0 to 600 volt, MI 2, ammeters 0 to 5 amperes, MI 2, three-phase auto transformers 415 0 to 440 volts, 1 lamp 200 watt each, 3 connecting wires, few. Now let us see the circuit diagram of our star connection. It is circuit diagram for a star connection. Now in this supply is there of three-phase supply, 440 volt 50 Hz DC supply, which is connected to TPST switch. Now from this TPST switch it is connected to auto transformer, three-phase auto transformer, which is having 3 inputs and 3 outputs. Now from this one output of this auto transformer it is connected to ammeter 0 to 5 amperes. From this it is connected to one more ammeter 0 to 5 amperes, and it is connected to one phase of R phase, that is right. Now from this again one more wire of this output of the auto transformer is connected to Y phase, that is Y phase, and from third phase it is connected to B phase, right. So finally connecting all these resistances commonly, you can make a neutral point, right. Now parallelly you can connect the voltmeters in across the supply, that is what 0 to 600 volts, and one more it is connected to the phase side. So here these two ammeters are required. You can measure the line and phase quantities. Here this is for line quantity and this is phase quantity, and this is for line and phase quantity. So this is a connection diagram for what circuit diagram for the star connection. Right now similarly the circuit diagram for delta connection is nothing but you have to change the connection here. Instead of star you have to make the delta. So how to make the delta is starting end of the connection and finishing end of the connections. Finishing end of the first phase is connected to the starting end of the next phase. So 3 wires you can use and connect them in sequence, right. So R, Y, B. So to that connection you have to apply the voltage. So same this part is same. Supply, TPST switch, auto transformer, 3 outputs are coming. From these 3 outputs it is connected to ammeter. From this ammeter it is connected to a common point of connection, that is between two resistances. Now from Y phase it is connected to Y point, and B phase it is connected to B point, and here one ammeter is utilized to measure the phase current here. Now one voltmeter is there, only sufficient because it will measure both line voltage as well as phase voltage, right. So this is about the experiment of circuit diagram of delta connection. Now we see the procedure for this experiment. Procedure is connection should be made as per circuit diagram. Ensure auto transformer is at a 0 position, and next is we can switch on the supply first. Switch on the supply, set the rheostat to the fixed value, whatever the rheostats are, or lamps you can use. You can use the lamps and you can set those as to a fixed value, and gradually vary the auto transformer in steps, and then note down the, or you can apply it to some fixed values for star. For star you can apply it to 440 400 volts, and for delta it is applied to only 200 volts. You can because it is across the single phase, only one phase only for that purpose. Then note down the current and voltage reading, and then determine the phase and line quantities by using the formulas for a star and delta connection. Now repeat the also above procedure for delta connection, and then switch off the supply, right. This is the procedure part. Now tabulation part for the star connection is, so IL line current, it is, you can observe in the figure, IL this is, and this is I phase, VL this you can measure here, and V phase this is. And finally you have to evaluate for this. VL is equal to root 3 V phase, IL is equal to I phase. You have to cross verify whether the line voltage is equal to phase voltage, or line current is equal to phase current or not. You can cross, or you can determine line quantities or phase quantities. You can check out, cross verify whether both are not matching or not. Now similarly tabulation for delta is same, all the things are same, but need to measure here these values will be changed. IL is equal to root 3 I phase, and here VL is equal to V phase. This will be different for star and delta. Now after this you can note down the results, and finally you can write down the conclusions along with some Viva questions with answers, right? And the conduction part will be available in the next video. Thank you.